This is just demonstration for what we will be connected in the lab. So our circuit is very simple. We will just connect the LED, the cathode to ground through resistor, and this to pin number 4, and we will connect also the push button to one leg to ground and one to 5 volts, and this is for pin 2 of the Arduino. We will check, our program will check, this is the hardware and this is the software. It will check if this push button pin 2 is high, so that means it pressed. Should the lid will be on and delay for 1 second and so on. Okay, so we have the breadboard, the Arduino. As I always tell you, when you want to connect, always put the schematic in front of you and connect according to the schematic. So what I have here, I have a resistor. Okay. This resistor is connected with potentiometer in the same point. From the potentiometer, the other pin, it goes to the 5 volt of the Arduino. This should go to the 5 volt of the Arduino. This is the 5 volt of the Arduino. And between the potentiometer and the resistor, there will be this wire goes to pin number 2, 0, 1, 2, and from the resistor we go to the common ground. This is the common ground. The lid, it has 2 legs. The longest one is the anode, so the anode should be connected to pin 4. This is the second circuit. This is the anode. The anode will be connected to pin number 4. And it connected to a resistor. Okay, to a resistor, and the other leg of resistor connected to ground, the common ground. This is the common ground, and the other I should only connect the common ground to the ground of the Arduino. This is the ground, and the 5 volt, it already been connected. Okay, so we just must upload the program. We need our cable, USB cable. Where is the cable? Just give me a moment. This is the cable. Okay, it will be connected to the computer USB, and we will upload the program. Okay, it's uploaded. Now we will, voila, this is the sensor, a digital sensor, a push button. When it sends something from the environment, when the user press the button, since its button is pressed, it will drive this LED to work. This is the actuator, digital actuator, connected to an output pin. This is connected to input pin. I hope everything is clear, and now I will connect the other circuit, which is the potentiometer. Okay, all I need is it's very simple circuit. This is the potentiometer, plus, minus, and this pin you can connect it to a 0. Okay, so this I connect it to the ground. Anyone is fine. Any end considered as a 5 volt, you can consider the other one as ground. This should be connected to ground. This connected to ground. Okay, and in the middle, where you can get the data, this pin is connected to analog pin 0. Okay, I must upload the program. Just be aware what happened in the TXRX LED when I upload the program. Just I have to choose the board and choose the port number. Don't ever forget to do this unless you will get an error. Okay, upload, compiling the sketch, uploading the sketch. See this? That's mean the program is uploaded. Okay, we will open the serial monitor. I will take the camera so you can see the serial monitor. This is the serial monitor. Choose the right baud rate. Okay, I will change the potentiometer and see the result. See, you can change it from 0 to 1023. Okay, this is now out. Okay, and that's our lab. I hope you understand everything. Any question, please write down to the comment. See you again.